Well, let us see what Blender has to offer in regards of cylinder. So I'm going here, go to add, go to mesh, and the next option is cylinder. After we take this cylinder, we get this small sub menu. After I open the sub menu, it has given us the option to change the number of vertices. This defines the shape of the cylinder. Do you want to have a square cylinder, pentagons? You can also make a prism out of it. So that is given there. Radius, if you want to increase or decrease its area. Depth, if you want to increase or decrease its volume. Cap fill, this is something amazing. Now it's selected, by default it is n-gone, but if I hit nothing, it's like whole, nothing is filled on. And if I put n-gone, then it is going to put a face on the top side, on the bottom side as well. And if I come here and take the next option, triangle fan, what it actually does is, let me go into the wireframe. Here if I come and take triangle fan, we have this option of having an extra vertices here. Align to world to view, it will align it according to where we are seeing from. And the 3D cursor is, if you click on 3D cursor, it is going to align it according to the 3D cursor. Location, you can change it in x-axis, in y-axis, in z-axis. You can rotate it in x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. The global z-axis, that's one thing to remember. So that's about cylinder. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. And if you want to support me wholeheartedly, Patreon page link will be given in the description, as well as Google Pay and Phone Pay link will also be given in the description. So please support this channel financially. So with that being said, and then try to see it, learn it, understand it, I will see you in the next video.